Future is bright, and what a great day it was out there. And I tell you what, we're talking about school starting, Miranda. If you look at it, we're getting there. Okay, I know we're still in nature's soup right now, but school, only a few weeks away. Hard to believe. Meteorological fall actually begins in 5 weeks. Okay, our average temperatures in Tampa start falling in about 6 to 7 weeks. So keep those cool thoughts. We'll need to, because as you look outside, you can see the humidity. You can almost see the thickness. You can almost cut the air with a knife out there. 83 degrees. You add in the dew point at 77, and it feels like, I know, 92. So we get that west-northwest wind at 6. And as we go into this forecast, if you're looking for relief, I know I'm getting you ready for August tonight. August begins officially on Thursday. Okay. Notice not seeing much of a break in the lightning, the downpours, or the heat. But if we look at this closely, we do have our rainiest 2 days of the week coming up tomorrow and especially Monday. Look at that high rain chance at 80%. And every degree matters, at least in my book. And look at this. We could actually have a day where we don't reach 90 degrees. That hasn't happened too often so far this summer. But again, as we head into the rest of the week, probably a drying trend. Okay. And of course, watching the tropics with you together. And then we're going to heat back up into the low to mid 90s. Well, interesting. Every day is different here. And you know, sometimes it sounds like a broken record, chance of scattered showers and storms. But our weather team pinpoints when and where. And today, we were thinking north and east of us, closer to a front. And you can see it really worked out well there. But for us, it was more of a miss on the rain. Tomorrow, though, all of that rain we saw in the northeast and first coast of Florida and Jacksonville, it's on the way with a frontal system coming closer to home. So it's quiet out there tonight, and we're going to start to see the shift in the weather pattern tomorrow. And notice we do have a front right on the Georgia-Florida border, and what's left of it will move close enough to us to cause some of those changes. So we'll have the collisions and those sea breeze boundaries with that front coming closer to home, and we'll have more lift, moisture, and instability to work with. In fact, if you look at our excessive rainfall outlook tomorrow, check this out. Where you see the green, this could be some areas that see 2, 3, 4 inches of rain and maybe some localized flooding. So as we look at our weather impact for our Sunday, all right, I know we're used to the rain downpours this time of year. Tomorrow, nature may take it to the next level. We've got the risks of localized flooding and lightning. Also something different, also a big window of rain opportunity between about 2 o'clock and 10 o'clock. So if you have beach plans, the earlier you go tomorrow. Pickleball included. We look at yoga in the park. Miranda's telling me she did some goat yoga. Get that yoga in earlier rather than later, because look at the rain chances going up to 40% by noon, 70% by 2 o'clock. And again, some very heavy rain and maybe even a few gusty winds. Let's look at Futurecast to verify. Let's see. So tonight, watching that front to the north, but tomorrow as we wake up, pretty quiet, but keep an eye to the sky. Seeing those showers and storms filling in quickly as we head into the afternoon. And again, some of these could be some real gully washers, 2, 3, 4 inches of rain, very slow moving storms, and they could linger well into the evening. So in that 7-day forecast, we've got our 10 Tampa Bay apps ready, getting you ready for August and some more downpours and lightning.